Hello everyone. In the today's session, we are going to continue set number 17, 500 most important MCQs test series. So let's start. Who wrote Christabel? William Wordsworth, Robert Southey, Samuel Taylor Coleridge, John Keats. Correct answer option number C, Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Samuel Taylor Coleridge, born 1772 and died 1834. He was an English poet and a founder of Romantic movement in England and a member of Lake Poet also. Lake Poet. Christabel is a long narrative ballad. It is a ballad and it is in a two parts. First part reputedly written in 1797 and second part written 1800. When was Kubla Khan published? 1818, 1816, 1820, 1822. Correct answer option number B, 1816. Kubla Khan and the other name A Vision in a Dream. A Fragment. It is a poem written by S.T. Coleridge and published 1816, first written 1797. The poem was composed one night after he experienced an opium influenced dream after reading a work described Xanadu. Next, what was Elizabeth Gaskell's pen name? Options: George Eliot, Charlotte Bronte, Mary Shelley, Cotton Mather Mills. Correct answer option number D, Cotton Mather Mills. Pen name Elizabeth Gaskell. Next question. Who wrote The Nightingale, a Conversation poem? Robert Southey, William Wordsworth, S.T. Coleridge, John Keats. Correct answer option number C, S.T. Coleridge. S.T. Coleridge wrote Nightingale in the month of April 1798. The Nightingale Conversation, it is a collection of poems in a lyrical ballads. The poem disputes the traditional idea that nightingale are connected to the idea of melancholy. Next, John Keats belongs to which generation of romantic poets? First generation, second, third and fourth. Correct answer option number second. John Keats belonged to second generation. John Keats 1700 period 1795 to 1821 was a major figure of the second generation of romantic poets. Next, which of the following poets belong to second generation of the romantic poets? Lord Byron, P.B. Shelley, John Keats, all of above. So here correct answer option number D, all of above belongs to second generation of the romantic periods poet. John Keats died at the age of 27, 23, 25, 22. Correct answer option number C, 25. John Keats died at the age of 25 in 1821 at a very young age. Who wrote A Thing of Beauty is a Joy Forever? Lord Byron, William Wordsworth, P.B. Shelley, John Keats. Correct answer option number D, John Keats. The above line, A Thing of Beauty is a Joy Forever, it is taken from Endymion. According to John Keats, A Thing of Beauty is a joy forever. It is a constant source of happiness and pleasure. Its loveliness increases every moment. It will never pass into nothingness. Which of the following issues John Keats did not address in his writing? Social issues, political issues, nature, both A and B. So here correct answer option number D, both A and B. Social issues and political issues John Keats did not address in his writing. Next question. Which of the following is an autobiographical work written by S.T. Coleridge. Biographical sketches, Christabel, The Poems, Fears, Inner Solitude. Correct answer option number A, biographical sketches. Biographical sketches and other name biographical sketches of my literary life and opinion, published 1817 in a 2 volume of a 23 chapters. Next, in the following cluster of poems by Shelley, which one has the voyage motive? Adonis, The Revolt of Islam, The Ode to the West Wind, Alastor. Correct answer option number D, Alastor. Alastor and the other name, the spirit of solitude. The Spirit of Solitude. It is a poem written by P.B. Shelley. Written 10 September to 14 December 1815 and published 1816. The poem. Next, who claim, I have not published a single paper that is not written in a spirit of benevolence and with the love of mankind. Addison, Pope, Dryden, Swift. Correct answer option number A, Joseph Addison. Joseph Addison, born 1672 and died 1719. He was an English essayist, poet and playwright and a politician also. In Graham Greene's Brighton Rock, Hale is murdered with the help of Brighton Rock, which is a form of granite, a kind of sugar candy, a baton, a kind of rock. Correct answer option number B, a kind of rock. Brighton Rock. Brighton Rock, it is a novel written by Graham Greene and published 1938 and later adapted for a film 1947 and 2010. The novel is a murder thriller set in 1930s Brighton. Which of the following is not quest narrative? Shelley's Alastor, Byron's Manfred, Coleridge's Christabel, Keats' Endymion. Correct answer option number C, Coleridge's Christabel. Christabel is a long narrative ballad written by S.T. Coleridge in 2 parts. First part written 1797 and second part written 1800. Coleridge planned 3 additional parts, but these were never completed. Leopold Bloom in Ulysses is a Great War veteran, Dublin War owner, a Jewish advertising agent, Irish nationalist. Correct answer option number C, a Jewish advertising agent. Leopold Bloom is a fictional character from James Joyce's work Ulysses. Ulysses is the most famous for its use of variant interior monologue known as a stream of consciousness technique, published 1922. The phrase leaves dancing is an example of pathetic fallacy, hyperbole, pun, and conceit. Correct answer option number A, pathetic fallacy. Pathetic fallacy, the term coined in the Victorian era, literary critic John Ruskin. Pathetic fallacy is when an author gives human emotions and a trait to nature or inanimate objects. Which of the following poems by Tennyson does not speak of old age and death? The Beggar Maid, Lotus Eaters, Ulysses, the Tithonus. Correct answer option number A, The Beggar Maid. The Beggar Maid, written 1833 and published 1842, written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. In this poem, the poet Lord Tennyson describes about a love of a king coefficient for the beggar maid. What was Adam's profession in Adam Bed, written by George Eliot? A goldsmith, a hawker, a teacher, a carpenter. Correct answer option number D, a carpenter. Adam Bed, written by George Eliot, it is a novel, and its pen name Mary Ann, pen name Mary Ann Evans. Adam Bed published 1859. The pseudonym name. So now we move on to at the end of this session. So like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope you like this video, and if you have any query then you can write me in a comment box below. That's it for today. See you soon for the next video. Till then, bye.